If you had to choose a single smart device for your house, what would it be? More likely, it would be something that ensures the safety of your home. And I don't mean a security system that costs from a few hundred to several thousand. This gadget is affordable yet can save your life and property. I'm talking about a smart smoke alarm. But why is it necessary? Don't regular smoke alarms do their job? Let's consider a situation where regular smoke alarms won't help you. You go to work early in the morning, so if something happens in your house and the smoke alarms go off, if no one's nearby, regular smoke alarms are entirely useless. Since no one will hear them, the rescue services won't know what happened and won't come to your aid. The advantage of smart alarms is that they'll notify you of the incident directly on your phone, wherever you are, and even call the rescue service on their own if you're too busy. In the kitchen, and the smart alarm goes off, you can quickly disable it from the app. Way better than having to swing around a broom and hope for a lucky shot, right? Even if you already have regular smoke alarms in your house, there's nothing wrong with installing a smart one. It takes just a couple of minutes, but adds a lot of peace of mind about your home. But which one to choose? Here are 3 criteria I would consider when choosing a smoke alarm for home. The first one is the type of sensor used for smoke detection: photoelectric or ionization. Ionization smoke alarms usually respond better to direct flames, while photoelectric reacts well to smoldering fires and can even detect cigarette smoke, making them more preferable. The second important criterion is whether the device also detects carbon monoxide levels in addition to smoke. A carbon monoxide detector is essential if you have an oil or gas boiler, furnace, oven, water heater, or fireplace. In this case, it's better to choose a combo device that detects both smoke and carbon monoxide levels. The third criterion is whether you need to pay a subscription for smart features, or if it's already included in the price. I didn't have to spend much time choosing the right device, because the Sense company recently approached me to advertise their alarm. It has a photoelectric sensor, is a combo smoke and co-alarm, and its main smart features are free. The device looks like a regular alarm, but with a display showing the current carbon monoxide level in the room. It connects to the Home Wi-Fi network and sends notifications to your smartphone. Via the Sense app, if the level of smoke or CO in the house is elevated, you'll know about it immediately from anywhere in the world, as long as your phone has access to the internet.